In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a new Fiverr affiliate service that a lot of people are searching for it on Twitter. So you can promote it if you want to get commission like this. As you can see, I made $245 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links using free traffic. Okay. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that people are searching for on Twitter, so you can promote this affiliate service and you will get commission, of course. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to make money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by user email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. You just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Go to community, click over here on affiliates, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, click over here on commission plan, or you can scroll down and click on see commission. They are paying good commission, guys. Okay, see, it's up to $150. If just one person buy an affiliate service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, click over here on join now and you will be directly in this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliates is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer few questions over here, choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to Fiverr. So now I'm going to share with you this new Fiverr affiliate service that you can promote on Twitter and get commission. So click on the search for Photoshop. Okay, search for Photoshop. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So like I said, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 2 seller, top rated seller, level 1 seller, sellers that has a lot of reviews. And if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, for example, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will do high quality Photoshop editing or photo manipulation. Okay, manipulation. Then this, so for example, as you can see, this seller has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, click over here. Okay, and put this affiliate link, this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again. Here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do now is you need to copy this link from here. And as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to go to Google, search for short link websites, and you will find a lot of websites that make long links short and you can use them. Okay, so for example, you can search for Bitly or any website you want. For me, I'm using this one, URL shortener. Okay, you can search for this website on Google. So you just need, and you can use it for free, of course. Just put your affiliate link here and click on shorten link like this. I'm gonna select this cars, okay, like this, and here you go. This is your short affiliate link. copy this link from here. So what you need to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. Okay, so let's go to Twitter and we need to find people who will be interested to buy this affiliate this service from my affiliate link. So this will be your homepage on Twitter. If you don't have an account on Twitter, go to Google, search for Twitter, sign up by using your email address, and you can use it for free. Click over here on the search for I need Photoshop editor, search for I need Photoshop editor, and here you go. You will find a lot of people searching for I need Photoshop editor person. This one is searching for Photoshop editor. You can also click over here on latest, so you can find the new posts. Okay, so for example, as you can see, this one, okay, I need Photoshop editor, and this person will pay this much for this service, as you can see. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This one is new and he just posted this post today. I need Photoshop editor. So what you will do, you will click over here on reply, okay, and you will put your affiliate link here like this. This is my affiliate link, and what you will do next is you need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, and you need to copy his title. Okay, so just copy his title, go back to Twitter, put this title over here like this. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be like this, and this is your title. What you need to do, you just need to click over here on reply, okay, like this, and your affiliate link will be sent to this person. This person is looking for Photoshop editor. I sent him this service about Photoshop editing. If this person is still looking for Photoshop editor person, he will click on my affiliate link, he will buy this service from my affiliate link, and he will earn commission. It's really easy and simple. You are promoting affiliate links to people who will be interested to buy those services. So of course you will get commission, but make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links on Twitter. Search for a lot of people who are searching for Photoshop editor, and start promoting your affiliate links, and you will earn commission, of course. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. That's how we can find specific and interesting services that people are searching for. Okay, so see you in my next video.